Hi, so in this very short video we're going to show you how to tie a reef knot. Now a reef knot is not one of my favourite knots. It is on the syllabus for competent crew, and so you should know it if you're going to do an RYA course. But it's not a knot that I use regularly because it's not hugely stable. When it's pulled tight under pressure, it can jam up. Just don't really like it. But it's an easy knot to tie, and I'm going to show you how to do it right now. Okay, so we've got a line here. I'm going to attach one end to another end using a reef knot. So I made a loop, and then I pulled the short end round the long end on the other end of the line, round the back of the short end and down through the hole. As you can see, the two short ends are on the same side and the two long ends are on the same side. If they're on opposite sides, that's going to slip. It's not a reef knot. Okay, so one more time. Go up, around the back of the long, and then over the short and down and pull tight. And that is a reef knot with two short ends on the same side. And as you can see, it pulls tight, and that's why I don't really like it under load. It jams up and it's difficult to get undone. Right, so if you go the other way, round the short and then over and down long, like that, you end up with ends on opposite corners. Can you see a short end bottom right, short end top left, and it'll capsize. So always make sure to check that. Go up, round the back of the long one, over the short one, down through the hole, pull tight, both the short ends on the same side. And that is how you tie a reef knot. Okay, so if you found that useful, you might find short videos of other knots that we show you how to tie on our playlist. Just have a look over here and you'll see our playlist and a link to the bowline. See you again soon.